Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can view all the startup programs on your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. Disabling the startup programs or the startup application on your Windows, this can also boost the performance and help your Windows to run faster. So you can easily disable all the unnecessary startup application on your Windows. Now let me show you first on how you can view the startup programs on your Windows. I will show you two ways. First is click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on apps that's under personalization. And from the options right here, look at the bottom, you can find start app. Apps that start automatically when you sign in. So when you sign in with your Windows, these applications will start automatically. So some of the applications that you don't want to start automatically, you can disable that, especially that it can cause your Windows to lag, and it can also disabling also the startup applications can make your Windows faster. So here, these are all the startup programs in my Windows, and as you can see, most of the startup programs are disabled. So if you want to disable that startup program, let's say for example this is enabled. And when you sign in into your Windows, this will automatically start. So you want to disable this and just simply switch this button off. So most of my startup programs are disabled. So this is the first way on how you can view your startup programs. Second way is in the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Then here in the Task Manager window, on the left pane, you will find Processes, Performance, App History, Startup Apps, Users, Details, and Services. Now you have to click on the Startup Apps. So these are all the startup apps on my Windows, the same as what I have shown you earlier in the Settings application. And most of these are disabled. I have only three startup applications which are enabled. So you can easily disable startup applications that is causing your Windows to lag. So just simply make a right click on that and then select disable. Once done, just simply close this window. So those are the two ways on how you can view the startup programs of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.